Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in my dad's car because I don't know about you guys' car, but whenever the AC runs or the heater runs, it stinks. So maybe your cabin air filter is going bad or it just needs the filter replaced. So before we get into this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell for another Cobalt video like this one. So let's get started. So what you're gonna want to do is get in your glove box.
You clean all the stuff out of there, huh? Which we already did that.
And then what you're gonna want to do is there's two tabs right here. So you're gonna want to push in here, as if you're like pushing in a balloon or whatever.
Or a basketball.
And then and it comes down a little more. And then,
so what you did is this tab here, you pushed in like that, so it goes past both sides.
But you can't always press
And this side, there's a tab here, but your car probably has a rubber grommet on there like this side does, which ours is missing. Okay, now what's next?
So there's three little prongs here, and you're gonna want to pull them down one by one, or multiple if that's what you want to do. And then pull down.
Push it down out of the way. Okay. I see the filter in there.
Yes.
And it doesn't look very good, does it? So just wrap your finger over one of them and pull out on it.
Oh my.
Oh wow, no wonder that there's an odor in the car.
Look at
this
that.
Goes to show that we need to change this filter out. So now that we have that out, what you want to do is take some extra time, since it was that dirty, get a vacuum and get it in there and try to clean up some of that other dust and dirt and stuff in there. We got the vacuum, and we put this end on here. Most vacuums come with that, where it has a little narrow piece there, and you get it in there real close, and then we turn it on and get it in there and suck all that dirt up out of there. All right, now we're done. Turn that off and we'll get the new filter. Now we ordered this filter off eBay, but you can get it at any hardware store. I can put it in the description below. A couple different choices of where you want to get it. Will it be Amazon or eBay? Depending on how much time you have to wait for it to come in the mail. Okay, that's a cabin air filter. Now this particular one is a CAF 100. And that looks different, doesn't it, than the other one. It looks clean, that's why it's different. It's the same one. And as we look at this filter, you can see where it says air down, air flows this way, because that's how we pulled it out. And you can see how the ribs are up and how that looks. Let's pull this one up. I think this is the same way as it is, so we'll put this one in the same way as the other one pulled out. So just go ahead and just tuck that back in there, the way the other one come out. So we're finding out we need a little bit more room, so we're going to unhook this. What we ended up doing is taking a screwdriver and pushing down on that, so that it'll come right out then. And then let that go up there, and now you can get more room, have more room to put that filter in. And then the slider up in there, and you push it up, and you be careful, you have to be hold of each side where it's solid, filter solid, and just kind of push it up in there with your thumbs. Great job, and it's right into place. Put those clips back up in. that cable back down, snap that back into place. It is a lot easier with 3 or 4 hands, isn't it? And then push this one in until it goes past, and that one in goes past, and it goes right in, and now it works good. So it looks like we were successful getting this filter changed, and thank goodness we changed it when we did, because it looked rough.
Well guys, I hope you guys learned something today, and if you did, please give us a big thumbs up to help support the channel. Also, hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the notification bell for another Cobalt video like this one.